Looking for an audio cable that delivers crystal clear sound without breaking the bank? The Monoprice 1.5 feet Premium 2 RCA Plug Cable offers just that, a straightforward, reliable connection that keeps your audio crisp and balanced. Whether you're plugging into a home stereo or DJ setup, this cable ensures your sound stays pure and uninterrupted. Despite the rise of HDMI and Toslink cables, RCA connections remain essential for many audio and video devices. What sets this Monoprice cable apart is its construction. It uses RG5975 ohm coaxial cable with a 22 Aruban fluorines conductor, giving you a shielded line that blocks EMI and RFI interference. That means no unwanted noise sneaking into your music or sound system. Plus, the gold-plated connectors don't just look premium, they provide smooth, corrosion-resistant contact that stays snug in your ports. One standout feature is the embedded color-coded rubber rings on each connector. They offer a secure grip, making installation and removal hassle-free. This attention to detail is what makes the cable feel like a professional-grade accessory, not just a basic wire. I've seen firsthand how well this cable performs. A DJ friend of mine uses it with 1000-watt speakers at weddings and parties. He praises the cable for perfectly balanced treble and bass, durability, and a connection that won't slip out mid-event. That's proof this isn't just an ordinary cable, it's built to handle demanding audio setups. If you're someone who values sound clarity and reliable gear, this cable is worth a look. It's the kind of small upgrade that can make a noticeable difference in your listening experience. No fuzz, no dropouts, just clean, balanced sound every time. Ready to improve your audio setup with a cable that works as hard as you do? The Monoprice 1.5 feet Premium 2 RCA Plug Cable offers solid build quality, interference protection, and gold connectors at a price that won't stretch your budget. Try it when you're ready and hear the difference for yourself.